Hello and welcome to all in video lectures series on 8051 microcontroller. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss a program for block exchange from internal memory to internal memory of 8051 microcontroller. So let's begin. Consider this simple program statement, and the program statement is that write an assembly language program to exchange n is equal to 5 bytes of data from internal memory location 40h onwards to internal memory location 50h onwards. Means what? Simple, we have to transfer we have to perform the block exchange in between 5 successive memory blocks starting from 40h and 50h onwards here, right? So for this purpose, simple, to point out the first 40h we are using a memory pointer, and that memory pointer is R0, and for 50h we are going to use a memory pointer R1. And as we have to deal with that is exchange of 5 blocks, simple, one counter we are going to initialize, that register suppose R2 we are using, and we are going to load it with the value 05h here. So simple, before execution, suppose these are the content present at various memory location. At 40h 66, at 41h 77, at 42 suppose 88, at 43 99, and at 44 AA. Whereas at 50 11, at 51h 22, at 52h 33h, at 53h 44h, and at 54h 55h, these are the values are present. So after this program execution, means after exchanging the content, the value need to be get swapped here. For example, whatever the content that present from memory location 50h onwards are get copied at memory location 40h onwards, whereas the content present at 40h onwards are get copied at memory location 50h onwards as shown over here, right? So how we are going to proceed for this? No doubt we are using the two memory pointers. So first of all, the memory pointer R0 is going to point out a memory location 40h onwards. So the content pointed by R0 are first we are going to copy into accumulator, and then the content pointed by R1 we are going to copy into B register, right? And then here we are going to perform the swapping. In short, the content present at accumulator we are going to transfer at memory location pointed by R1, and now the content that are present in B register we are going to copy into the content present at B register we are going to copy into memory location which is pointed by R0. So simple, the content from 40h onwards first get copied into R0 register, whereas the content from 50h onwards first get copied into B register. Then accumulator content are transferred to memory pointer, the content pointed by memory pointer R1, that is from 50h onwards, whereas the content present in B register we are going to point memory location pointed by this R0 register, that is from 40h onwards. So let us cross check this with the execution. So simple, R0 going to point out memory location, simple here the 40h, R1 is going to point out memory location 50h onwards, and to keep the track we are using the R2 register which is going to work as a pointer. So the value which is pointed by R0 first copied into accumulator, whereas the value pointed by R1 copied into B register. And now the content present at in accumulator, which is nothing but the content pointed by R0, that is at 40h onwards, are copied to a memory location pointed by R1, whereas the content in B register, which is nothing but the content pointed by R1, are get copied to a memory location pointed by R0. In the sense we are dealing with this swapping process. So let us cross check this with the execution. So initially after reset, as usual, R0 to R7 registers are equal to 0, A and B register is equal to 0, and here at memory location 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 we are dealing or we are copying these values, or these are the data bytes which are present, whereas at 50, 51, 52 and 53, 54 these data bytes are present here. So now let us go with the execution. Simple, first the R0 is loaded with a 40H and R1 is loaded with a 50H here. So R0 is going to point out a memory location 40H onwards, whereas the R1 is going to point out a memory location 50H onwards, right? So now then, as we have to deal with these 5 memory blocks, simple, the R2 is going to work as a counter, so the R2 is get loaded with the value 05 here. So let us cross check this. Now move a comma at pointer R0. So the content which is pointed by register R0, which is nothing but 66, is get copied into an accumulator as shown over here. And similarly, in next instruction, the content whatever pointed by R1, that is nothing but the content present at 50H memory location, get copied into B register. So let us cross check this. So here we are there, fine. So this 66 and 11, both these values are get copied into accumulator and B register respectively. And now we are going to perform this swapping process, right? So here the content whatever present at memory location 40 is now get copied at 50H here, and similarly the previously the content which were present at 50H are get copied at memory location 40H here. Means we are dealing with simple swapping the first byte present at specified memory location. That means we are exchanging the content of 40H with that of 50H here. Now in the second execution, the 22 and 77 are get swapped. In third, 33 and 88 are get swapped. In fourth, 44 and 99 are get swapped. And at last, 55 and A8 are get swapped here, right? And as usual, the R0 and R1 are now going to get incremented by 1. So these are going to point out the next memory locations. But here, the value present in counter R0, which is now 1, after execution, the value is equal to 0, and as it is equal to 0, it will come out from loop. So in this way, we can perform simple the block exchange between the internal memories of 8051 microcontroller. Thank you.